Hello friends, this is the LU5 DJV DDS. We have put it into an enclosure where you can use this separately for building any SSB transceiver, or you can also use this as a CW transmitter in the generator mode. So what we have here is the AD9850 module, and this is our own circuit that controls the module with the software. And what we have else is the amplifier, which boosts the output to 7 dB. And let's go and see the front side. So on the front side we have the mode button, mode. So with this you can change from LSB, USB, CW to generator. Then we have the band. You can change the bands. Okay. So here you change the bands. Then we have the VFO AB. Can change this VFO AB. So it has got two VFOs. You can set them separately. And we have an RX and TX. This is basically used if you want. These RX TX is basically used when we want to use this in the generator mode. So I'll show you how you can use this in the generator mode. So I'll switch it to RX. Now it is on the generator mode. Let me put the probe on. So it has also got a 50 ohms dummy load connected. So I'll switch on the switch that takes it into transmit. Let me put the probe on. Probe is connected to the output, and we have the dummy load also. So here we are getting an output. So if I switch this, see, the meter is set on 2.5 volts. So we are getting an output of around 2 volts. It's on 2.5. So around 2 volts output we are getting into a 50 ohms dummy load. So if I switch this off again, so I am on the RX mode. If I switch it on again, I am on the TX mode. So this is it, and I hope this product can be useful for your shack. Thank you.